In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 reasons why your Squarespace website isn't getting much or any traffic, and how to fix it. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head into your site. We'll start by tidying your design so search engines and visitors can actually understand it. On your homepage, select any placeholder or filler sections you don't need and remove them. If you see generic text blocks, delete those too, and plan to replace them with clear, descriptive headlines and subheads. Straightforward page titles help search engines know what your page is about, which directly tackles vague or poetic titles that don't rank or get clicks. Next, work on your hero area. Select the image or background section, choose Edit section, then go to Design and open Background and Colors. Pick a background and color pairing with strong contrast so your text is readable. If you swap in your own image, make sure it's not oversized. Large, unoptimized images slow down your pages and can hurt rankings, so use appropriately sized, compressed files. When you're satisfied, click Save and then Exit to return to the main editor. Now let's address visibility. Open the SEO or AIO panel in your site settings. Run the optimization flow to see quick wins, and if you change your mind, you can cancel out and keep exploring. Use the built-in resources. Read the SEO checklist so you know what Squarespace expects for titles, descriptions, and best practices. Add an FAQ section where prompted. FAQs can improve how your pages appear in AI-generated search results and help cover long-tail questions your audience is asking. Browse the AIO Resources blog for guidance tailored to Squarespace. If you're prompted to review keywords via your analytics or connected tools, take a look, then close the overlays to get back to your site. While you're editing content, add internal links between related pages. Think services to portfolio, blog posts to guides, or FAQs to contact. Internal links help search engines crawl deeper and help visitors find what they need faster. Before you wrap, return to your home screen and publish your site. Publishing ensures your content is publicly available, which addresses a major visibility blocker. Search engines can't index what isn't live. If your site was previously behind a password, publishing removes that barrier so both people and crawlers can access your pages. To recap what we fixed as we went. We made your site discoverable, avoided password roadblocks, replaced vague titles with clear ones, optimized imagery for speed and readability, and strengthened internal links. Follow these steps across your core pages, and you'll set a solid foundation for steady growth in traffic.